Elix hand cleaning wipes are essential in any case of hard work. Dual textured abrasive surface of wipes and advanced liquid formula help to clean hands without water anytime at any place. These wipes are ideal for removing dirt, oil, inks, lubricant, coal dust, paint, adhesive, tar, and many other contaminants which are difficult to remove. Competitive advantages of using Elix wet hand cleaning wipes are obvious. The uniqueness. During the manufacturing, we use only modern, unique material with the abrasive polypropylene fibers and our own developed chemical compositions. Safety. Elix wipes contain the softening and moistening components which don't irritate the skin of hands and aren't toxic. Economy. Elix wipes reduce the time for cleaning of hands by 4 times. They can be used anytime, anywhere, even in the conditions of lack of water. One wipe is enough to clean completely, even strong polluted hands. To receive more information, please contact our website, www.ecsag.com.